We're looking at question number 36 of the 2015 released items. And they are asking us for a shape that has parallel and congruent opposite sides and diagonals that are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by writing out my properties of parallelograms. I know that that is what I'm talking about because all of my answer choices are parallelograms. So what I know about parallelograms? Well, parallelograms have opposite sides parallel, opposite sides congruent, and opposite angles congruent, and consecutive angles supplementary, and diagonals bisect each other. Great. So let me look and see if that fulfills what I need. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent, fulfilled. Diagonals that are perpendicular bisectors. Well, the bisector part is fulfilled, but that perpendicular part is not. So I'm going to X that one off. So now let's look at rectangles. Rectangles have all of the above, and then I get to add on the extra piece that all angles are congruent, which means they're 90 degrees, and that the diagonals are congruent. Well, that doesn't give me anything up there, so we're going to move on from that. Now let's talk about a rhombus. In a rhombus, I get all sides are congruent. I get that the diagonals are perpendicular. And I get that the diagonals bisect the angles. Well, diagonals are perpendicular is the one condition that I still needed to be met, so I'm going to pick choice C, rhombus. And actually, a trapezoid is not even a parallelogram, and I do not have that all opposite sides are parallel. I only have one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So that could not be the option either. So I have to choose choice C, rhombus.